Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a quick explanation of assignments 14, 15, and digital reflective video number 2. They're all due by Sunday at 11:59 as the usual deal goes. And just remember that you need to upload both digital reflective videos to your TaskStream account. So once you're done, just go ahead and upload them both, and then you don't need to worry about forgetting. I can't give you a final grade unless you upload to TaskStream. So it's really important. I can't stress it enough. Okay, so for assignment 14, you're going to be looking into Latino perspectives. So I want you to read chapter 18 and the case study. And then you are going to take on one of these perspectives, either Chucho or Jacinto, and try to see the world through their eyes, develop some empathy and some perspective taking. And you're going to fill out the Step Inside handout to record your reflection on what this person can perceive, what might this person know about or believe, and what might this person care about. Okay, so you are going to complete the handout, and then you're going to, of course, talk about the habits of mind, what helped you through this, what habits of mind did you use, what are you working on. And you are going to upload this to the assignment Dropbox. All right, for assignment 15, it's a similar assignment, but a different way of showing what you know. And this is the migrant worker perspective assignment. So I want you to read chapter 19 and the case study, and reread the box 19.5, Immigrants versus Immigrants on page 349. And identify at least 2 perspectives. It doesn't really matter which perspective you identify as long as they're stakeholders. So I give you an example of the possible stakeholders. So take 2 of them, and you are going to create an animated simulation of a dialogue between these 2 stakeholders using the scenario on page 349. Okay, so you can make an animated simulation using the quick video maker that I showed you in your course, in your class content, or you can use whatever application you might find. Just make sure that you're using an animation application. And go ahead and post that to the blog, the Migrant Workers Perspectives blog, and then respond to at least 1 peer using the ladder of feedback rubric. And lastly, the digital reflective video. So for those of you that completed it, you guys did a great job. This is not a difficult task, and most of you were very insightful on your growing knowledge of your family literacy issue. So I want you to continue along the same lines of discussing and reflecting on your growth of knowledge in your group issue. So you're going to do the same kind of format, connections. What connections did you draw between the text, discussions with your group members and stakeholders pertaining to the problem and your own life or your own learning? What connections can you make to your prior knowledge, your growing knowledge? Challenge. What ideas, positions, or assumptions do you want to challenge or argue with? Now is your time to say, I don't agree with everything that is written in the text, because I certainly don't agree with everything written in the text. So use this component to really voice your opinion and give me an example of why. Just make sure that you are backing up everything that you're saying. Concepts. What key concepts or ideas do you think are important and they're worth holding on to from the text? So it's the opposite of challenge. Challenge is, what do you not agree with? Concepts are, what do you wholeheartedly agree with? And then lastly, changes. What changes in attitudes, thinking, or action are suggested by the text, either for you or others? So you're going to upload that to the digital reflective video, to the Dropbox. And do me a favor, you don't need to email me the link, but do just put the link into your Dropbox. That's way easier. I can just click on it and go straight to it, and then I can grade it from your Dropbox instead of having to go back and forth through the email. So don't worry about emailing me. If you can figure out how to send me the link through Dropbox, then do that. If you can't figure it out, then email it to me. As long as I get it in some way or form, then you will you'll get credit for it. All right, so if you have any questions or concerns, please do contact me.